maganda po siya nag-kwento.
Sige. So, we met because we were judges. We're both from UST.
Okay.
School. So, there's Mr. and Miss Medicine.
Okay.
So, they asked us to judge. Nag-judge kami. Tapos, ito ko late. So, nandun ako nakaupo, judge. Of course, pagdating ko clap naman ng konti, gano'n. Pagdating niya, grabe, standing ovation, sigawan. Ano yan? Dumaan. Tapos, excuse me, pinasmas ako. Show what you did. Show
Anong ginawa mo?
Nakaupo ka? Nakaupo ako dito sa row ng judge.
Okay, so ano ginawa niyo doon?
Tapos nakaupo lang ako.
Ay, Gwen!
Diba? My first use spot. Ngayon.
Bakit gano'n? Bakit mo naman gano'n sinasadya?
Parang I know the name of Vicky Bello. I idolize the name, but I don't really have a face to attach to it.
Hindi ko alam. So, eto na. So, after noon, ano nangyari?
Kaya naman nagsabi sa akin during that time na kasama ko sa judges panel si Dr. Bello. So, makapang na ako ng makapang.
Ganun po.
Wala, gusto mo lang naman i-display yung ano.
No, pero ang start na talaga, parang, kasi we were talking and I asked, kala ko consultant. Sabi ko, anong specialty mo? I was hoping na matanda siya. Tapos sabi intern, sa intern. Ang sabi ko, matanda rin mong fan. Birthday pala niya yung day na yun. So, excited, ganyan.
Intern, graduate na ako na I was already an intern. So, more or less, kaya pa fraternity kasi present a better mo fraternity. And parang yung role ko lang before is to talk to almost all the parang male students and ask them if they want to join a fraternity or ganyan. So, more or less, I know from first year to fourth year halos lang kami.
Medyo kalaki sila. At paano kayo nagligawan? Oo, after na. So, nagkita kayo doon. Paano kayo nag-after that time?
Yung amin kasi parang more of a very smooth transition between a mentor-mentee relationship to friendship to lovers. Very smooth naman.
No, kasi, I wanted to be a cosmetic surgeon. So, he called me about a month later, matagal. Text, tapos, do you remember me? Of course, no, ako? Anyway, he started Makati Med lang sa front of my clinic. So, lagi siya nasa clinic. Araw-araw. Tapos, eto na, araw-araw yung dadala ng, hindi naman araw-araw. Alam naman niya, favorite ko, what? Chocolate. Yes. Tapos, hindi ko na chocolate. Nadala naman ako ng piece of flowers. Sabi ko, but of course, ito naman talaga, if you're training with somebody, you have to make decisions, right? No. Okay, and then one day we went to we always had lunch out, we talk about everything under the sun. Bigla na sa restaurant kami, talking to me, look at me, and then what did you do? Show.
Wala akong ginawa. All under the table.
So tayo sabi ko, ay ginagawa niya. Tapos babalik ko sa clinic. Nataranta na ako kasi diba, parang you look at him as mentor, mentee. So pagdating ko sa clinic, yung best friend ko, sabi ko, anong i-explain niya kasi ginugulo niya sa Elisha. Okay. Tapos sabi niya, he likes you. Sabi ko, pwede ba yun?